there you go. Hello guys. I haven't been uploading Fortnite videos, and that's because I was on my Switch, and apparently you can't record clips on Switch. Look, if you kind of zoom in over it, if you see in the little corner, it doesn't let you like full time record. So if you go here, it tells you videos cannot be captured for the software. So you can't do any videos on Fortnite, but I can do like Odyssey, Paladins, Minecraft, and stuff. But I know Minecraft e-boys, don't make fun of me. I just want to make Fortnite videos. That's all. I will make Minecraft videos in the future. I'll make whatever content you guys want. But yeah, if you guys think this is screen recording, look, auto sprint, right there, the launch pad. Now let's start the game because I really want to. Let me move my chair back here because this camera is gold. Alright, just let me put the controller here. Now, god damn it, let me just move my position. I think you guys can see here, but let me just get all my weapons and that stuff. And look. Also, I do not play Claw. I do not play Claw. You don't need Claw to like become pro. So my 90s they're kind of cracked, man. They're not that cracked. I'm pretty bad. I would say that. I mean, they're decent, but yeah, you see, I kind of messed up. But they can't let my Switch controller right there. So that's my building, and do not ask me. It's just I want to do a Nintendo Switch test, and yeah, it's kind of like, I mean, it's kind of decent. I mean, the Switch, unfortunately, it doesn't support like FPS, like 60 FPS, like which I normally play on. But I mean, whatever. You see, look at this. See this? Look. See? So, I am not faking this video. If you like, you see, I can't click A. You guys can see here. Like, I'm generally pressing it. So, yeah, this is not a video. You guys, look, I'm gonna press the home button right here. Home button. And there you go, we have Minecraft. And yeah, I did do a what's on my Switch. So yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe because I don't know if I made this channel. So yeah, bye.